I'm Advocate Manisa Samois, and with me I have Seema Chibulkar. We are the spokesperson and the women's wing of Aam Aadmi Party. Today we want to take up the issue of rising onion prices and the statement made by the Civil Supplies Minister, Mr. Govt about threatening the people to remove the subsidies. Now everybody is aware of the fact that onions in the open market is rupees 120 per kilo. We are thankful to the minister that subsidies have been still provided to us, and at fair price shops we are getting onion price per kilo onions for rupees 32, while in the horticulture corporation it was 75 rupees. Now, Mr. Gowde should know that our question cannot be termed as criticisms, because we are genuinely questioning the government as to how is it that it is at rupees 32 in the fair price shops while it is rupees 75 at the horticulture department. What we have got to know, based on the department itself, what they have stated is that civil supplies, apparently the amount of rupees 32 per kilo includes the cost of transportation, as well as rupees 3 will be given per kg as profits to the fair price shop owners. Now, if there is going to be a profit at rupees 30, when they are selling it at rupees 34 at fair price shops, how is it that at horticulture department corporation the subsidies cannot be reduced to 34? On what audacity does Mr. Govind Gowde has that he's threatening us to shut down the subsidies? He must know that the subsidies have not been given by him. We are paying taxes, and therefore the subsidies come because of that. It is not based on the whims and fancies of the civil supplies minister that we give the subsidies. What we are supposed to get, you are supposed to give it to us at this point of time. Now, with Diwali approaching, the least that we are asking for is the same amount as in the fair price shop should be there at the horticulture corporation also. Because as it is with the pandemic, the situation is quite bad. The incomes of every household has reduced drastically. There is no enough money even to have genuine good food for your festivals, especially during Diwali. The least we are asking from the minister is that these threats should stop. We are not in Gundaraj, and this is not subsidies are not given from Mr. Govind Gowde's own pocket. He should respect the people, know how to speak to the people, and accept questions and not term it as criticisms. Questions are not criticisms. When questions come, listen to the questions, understand the issue, and try to resolve the issue for the people. That's all they are stating, and not to threaten the people. That's all they are stating. We will not tolerate this. Further on, Seema will state.
इतली लोकांनी जॉब केला काम केलें लोकांकडे आणि कित्याक पे करता लोकांक दिया ती सबसिडी मेळटा ती लोक टॅक्स भरता लोकांनी सर्विसीस पसून गेल्या इतलो म्हारग कांदो खावप म्हणजे लोकांक हेल्प करता लोकांनी जॉब केला लोकांकडे पयशे ना इतले करून तुम्ही इतले लोकांक त्रास करता इतलें म्हाका सांगपा जाय
Questions, Vinasa? See, fair price shopper delay already 34 rupees. Agitation, if you remember when onions were increased, the price was increased during Congress term. Smriti Irani, including the Prime Minister Narendra Modi, had openly come out and agitated. That, according to Mr. Govind Gowde, is not politically motivated. When genuine questions are being asked, that time it becomes politically motivated. Agitations will be done in the open market if the prices does not come down, and if the horticulture corporation does not give the same price at as fair price shops.
Will you be giving any time frame for the government?
I think before Diwali, this issue should be resolved and should not be treated as a criticism. It should be considered as a genuine question. And Civil Supplies Minister Mr. Govind Taude should take this genuine question as a issue and resolve this issue for everybody.
Because Diwali approaching next 2-3 days, you have short time of it.
So that's what we're saying. Resolve this issue before Diwali. In the next 2-3 days, you resolve this issue and give the subsidy that is truly deserved for each and every local who has paid their hard-earned taxes to get these subsidies. That's what we are demanding.